Hi, this is Jackie with Salutio. In this video, I'm going to go over how to make an article such as this that is showing up in a headlines type area appear with its own specific URL. So for example, if I click on this, instead of it going to a page that might say headlines / something else, this is just simply going to / Advent Reflections. So again, let me give you an example of what that would look like if it's not. For example, you can see in the lower left-hand corner of my screen /news / 225-convent-cleanup. Again, that's the URL that I get when I go to that page. So all that has to happen for this is the article has to be created. That's the first step. So when the article is created, great. Let's go ahead and for example purposes, just call this one convent cleanup and we'll make it to where it has its own URL. After the article is created, and there only needs to be one article. I might have said in the past that there has to be two, but that's before I recognized that the system is pretty smart and savvy and doesn't always have to need a second article. Articles have to anchor from a menu item, whether that's a menu item that is displaying multiple articles or a menu item that is displaying a single article. I'm going to go into, I believe it's our secondary menu here. It might be the hidden one. The main one's the one that's showing up on the site. And of course, there's our Advent Reflections. This is a single article menu item. I think it's easiest to make a copy of that, but I'll go ahead and just start from scratch. New. I'm going to call this one Convent Cleanup. And that's what it'll be automatically generated from the title if I don't automatically fill in the alias to something else. My menu item type under articles is going to be single article. And then I'm going to select that article from the list here. So for example, convent cleanup. And then save and close. I go back to the website and I refresh. Now when I click on convent cleanup, read more, I go to the URL that is convent cleanup. That's as simple as it is. Now, if that article is unpublished, that link, that web page will give us a 404 error. That URL will give us a 404 error. But unless you've publicized it in other facet, there's no other way to get to it. So I hope that makes sense. Let me know if you have questions. Thanks for watching. Take care and God bless.